In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find account keys in Proton Mail. By the end, you'll know exactly where your encryption keys live inside your account and how to view them confidently and safely. Start by opening your browser and heading to Proton Mail. Then sign in to your account. Once your inbox loads, focus on the left-hand side of the screen. This vertical area is your navigation panel, and it's where Proton Mail groups items like inbox, drafts, and your custom folders. Look for the section labeled Folders in that left panel. If your sidebar is collapsed, expand it so you can see the full list. Beside the Folders label, you should see a small gear icon. That gear is your shortcut into the settings specific to folders and labels, and it also brings you into the broader Mail settings area where your keys are managed. Click the gear next to Folders, you'll land on a settings page, and on the left side of that page, you'll see another navigation panel for Mail settings. This is where Proton Mail organizes options like General, folders and labels, and the encryption-related pages we need. In that settings navigation, scroll until you find the section called Encryption and Keys, then click it. This page is designed to help you understand and manage the cryptographic keys tied to your account. Proton Mail uses end-to-end encryption, so these keys are fundamental to how your messages are protected. Once you're on the encryption and keys page, scroll down again until you see the area labeled Account Keys. This section lists the keys associated with your account identity. You'll typically see details, such as the key type, creation date, and status. If you have multiple addresses or have rotated keys in the past, you may see more than one entry here. The important thing is that this is the authoritative place to verify which keys are active and connected to your account. Take a moment to read through what's displayed. Proton Mail surfaces key information in a clear, structured way so you can confirm you're looking at the correct identity and key set. If you ever need to verify a fingerprint for security reasons, or simply confirm that your account's encryption is set up as expected, this is the spot to check. A quick safety note: treat your keys and any related details with care. Avoid sharing them publicly and only manage them on devices you trust. If something doesn't look right, return to this page to review your keys and consult Proton's support resources for guidance. That's it! You found your account keys in Proton Mail.